Hello everyone, I'm Danilo Cerqueira, CEO of Tempovip Luxury DMC in Portugal. And today I'm here to invite you to a treat of Atlantic surprise. Many travelers from around the world have fallen in love for Portugal in the past few years. And if you haven't visited us yet, I'm sure someone have already whispered in your ears how seductive the most western country in Europe is. You have heard about the diversity from beautiful Douro Valley to the irresistible beaches of Algarve. But what if I told you about a subtropical Portugal, an insular Portugal, the pearl of the Atlantic? Let me welcome you to Madeira Island. It's hard to say no to the 75 degrees Fahrenheit average temperature all over the year. And the island is less than 2 hours flights away from Lisbon and a little bit more than 3 hours away from London. Madeira is a heaven of natural beauty, and you will feel that the second you touch the ground of the capital city, Funchal. Our private transfer will take you directly to the Les Suites by Porto Bay Hotel, right over the ocean. Just take a closer look on these 23 luxury suites that brings together comfort, design, and a stunning views. We are on an island, and proximity is the only way to do that. That's why we invite you for a very special activity, which is a tour in the Centro Historic of Funchal in a sidecar. A very fun and amazing way to get the first impression about this beautiful place. Nature rules Madeira. It's all around us, and adventure is just around the corner. Have you ever canyoning? This is the place to do that, and I'm sure you're gonna feel tempted to try. It's great to get lost in the jungle, jumping from the waterfalls. Though, We will always get back home by the end of the day, but not without first taking an off-road jeep tour towards the most special sunset of the Atlantic. Gastronomy in Madeira is a huge thing. It combines Mediterranean and subtropical foods. We have a cooking masterclass ready for you. Right after, we get the finest products from the local market. Believe me, it tastes as good as it looks. Such a gorgeous place must also be seen from a distance. Our private yacht tour is something our clients will remember forever. There's one thing Madeira is certainly famous for. Its exquisite fortified wine, very much like port wine. Yes, Portuguese master these nectars like none. We will show the secrets behind it while exploring the vineyards and the wineries. Followed, of course, by an unforgettable traditional espetada for the lunch. A truly delicious experience. Funchal is a cozy and relaxed city. If you are more an eater than a cooker, let's try a walk and get to know the 600 years of history of Funchal while we discover the gastronomical facade of the town. Delicate is certainly a word you can apply to the island folk culture. We would like to make you acquainted with the unique craft of Madeira embroidery. I have told you about Madeira wine, but have you heard about the rum? Yes, sugarcane grows everywhere and people in Madeira really know how to put it into excellent use. Let's have a taste. You know what I'm talking about when I say, oh my God, those breathtaking mountain views. What about experiencing it in an even more personal way? 6,000 feet, 1,800 meters high, a five-star hotel setup and a sea of cloud framing the sunrise. Yes, it's time to have breakfast above the clouds. There is also a very particular way to discover the island. Levada is the name given to the very old path used by local farmers along the Ridden irrigation channels. It's a small but remarkable adventure for all the ages. Do you dare? Back to the ocean. It dominates the life in Madeira, and you wouldn't like to live without falling in love with its fascinating water world. Have your safe driving baptism with us. And you know what is the best part? You don't have to hold your breath. And to be honest, this is just a little bit of what you can feel in the Madeira Island. And are your clients ready to join us? Follow us in our Instagram for the best luxury content in Portugal. Check our website for brainstorming your client and ask for detailed tailor-made proposal. And if you want a state-of-art content for all your social media, if you want to inspire your client for their next trip, send me an email. We have white label free social media content for all travel designers. Let's work together for a better tomorrow. I'm Danilo Cerqueira from Tempovip Luxury DMC Portugal. Thank you for watching, and now let's go for the live questions.